This is a very, very old cuckoo clock given to us by a friend, very good friend. I rebuilt this clock maybe 10 or plus years ago, and you can tell by the size it's huge. This clock hang on the wall at the bar of the old Canyon Lake Club in Rapid City years and years ago. Long since gone now, but during the 30s, 40s, and 50s, Canyon Lake Club was quite the place. This clock is unusual because it chimes every 15 minutes, which I don't, you can see by the look of my hand, the dial on the clock is as big as my hand. So this thing, and I'm going to run this down and you'll hear the cuckoo go off. So it goes ding dong at the quarter hour. Does that twice at the half hour. I've never seen a cuckoo clock do this. Three times. Now it'll do 4 times and it'll cuckoo 5 o'clock. Well, there you go. Very special. I don't run it much. It's very, very old. I don't know how to date this thing, but it's very rare, very big, very special. Quite the gift.